Welcome to the Whisper demo, powered by the cutting-edge Ampere CPUs. Whisper is an AI model designed for seamless transcription and translation of spoken language into text. With Ampere CPUs, Whisper delivers unmatched performance and efficiency. Ampere CPUs empower Whisper to convert meetings, interviews, and lectures into accurate text documentation, enhancing transcription and translation services and voice assistance while providing real-time captions for accessibility. With Ampere CPUs, Whisper can transcribe and translate speech rapidly and accurately, bridging global communication gaps. Why choose Ampere CPUs? Experience up to 32% better performance per watt compared to x86 servers. Ampere CPUs deliver superior AI inference efficiency, making them the optimal choice for powering AI applications. Traditional server architectures like x86 and high-power GPUs often come with high energy consumption and maintenance costs, making them expensive to operate in the long run. Ampere CPUs could offer lower TCO, especially when considering energy and performance efficiencies. Watch Whisper in action, powered by Ampere CPUs, delivering seamless AI inference without the need for GPUs. As the video plays, observe how Whisper captures and translates every spoken word in real time.
做了一些分析，就是说，第一个，我从传统的架构跟
Transcribing flawlessly.
Has been focused on developing innovative technologies for cloud workloads and infrastructure of all types for the last several years.
For more details, download the Whisper Solution Brief. Visit the link to receive your free copy of the AI Inference with Ampere Cloud Native Processor White Paper. This document explains the benefits and value of Ampere's high core count, energy-efficient CPUs for performance, cost-effectiveness, and power efficiency. Visit our website to learn more.